Just shut up for like a minute. Shut up.
Real trap shit. Trapaholics. We make it look easy. Fuck with your boys.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Okay, that's incredible.
Yo, bro, who got you smiling like that? Like, mad happy.
Oh, chill.
Yo, come on, bro.
And he was crying because of the abuse that he was enduring in this school system.
Then why did you stay in Mexico?
You need to leave.
Let me see. Whoa, what the hell? Oh my God, no way. Oh man, brother got the butterscotch cotton tie. Fucking heavy as hell.
Crazy kids are like the bitches are, so let 'em in, let 'em in, let 'em in.